Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. On my way there, so I'll be going for now. Bye bye. Thanks for watching my destination, and my phone is about to die.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate you so much. And also, please, if you are new to my channel and you've not subscribed yet, kindly hit the subscribe button for me, and please don't forget to like video if you like the vlog. Yeah, and also you can feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Yeah, so the last time you saw me on my last vlog, um yes, I spent the weekend there. I think I went there Saturday evening, and then this vlog I started off on Wednesday afternoon or morning-ish. Yes, because I was done spending the weekend at my house. So right now it's time for me to head back home. But while I was there spending the weekend, my microwave was not working. So I decided to take it to where I purchased it. And where I purchased the microwave is called Blackpark Limited or whatever. Yeah, but all I know is the company is called Blackpark. Yeah, they do sell some kitchen, items like microwave, oven, stove, cabinets, and stuff. So later in the video or in the vlog, you're going to see the items. I filmed the items that they were selling at the shop, and they're quite affordable. And the microwave, I'm a little bit disappointed because I bought it not too long ago, and it has started giving me problems. So yeah, so after I was thinking, or not was thinking, that's what I did. I went ahead and went to the shop where I purchased the microwave. I went there and then dropped the microwave off. So from there, I head back home to my family house. Yes.
The last time you guys saw me, I was at my house. I said I was going to spend the weekend. So right now, I'm on my way to go back to my parents' house. Yes, so I have finished spending the weekend. So I'm on my way to my parents' house. So yeah, so that's what is happening right now. I had a blast. I enjoyed myself being here. Yeah, so to say me mama and papa fee. Me call my parents fee because so last time I said I say maybe spend the weekend and Miami feel to see me. And then Wednesday. Actually, I've overstayed here because I have to go back to run the shop. Yeah, I was supposed to leave on Monday, but I ended up staying here till Wednesday, which is today. Yeah, and also my microwave is flicking when I turn it on. I don't know what's wrong with it. Yeah, it's basically not working. So I'm going to take it to where I bought it and see if they can replace it for me, or they can fix it for me. So I'll drop it off over there, and then from there I will head over to my parents' house. Yes, maybe I might wait for them to finish fixing it, or if they're going to replace it, that's fine. Unfortunately, I don't have the receipt with me. Any receipt in me, I don't know. But I called them and they told me that if I don't have the receipt and if they need to fix it, I'll have to pay. Something. Oh, this flies here. And yeah, back to what I was saying. They said if I don't have the receipt, they'll fix it, but I'll have to pay. And if I don't have the receipt, no, if I have, oh my God, what am I saying? Okay, so they said if I have the receipt, I will not pay anything. Yeah, they will have to fix it. I will not pay a dime. But if I don't have the receipt, then I'll have to pay for them to fix it for me. So, and I bought it not too long ago, about almost 2 years now, and I don't use it that much, so I don't know what's going on with it. So, about to take it there. From there, I'll be heading to That's what is happening at the moment. Yeah. Okay, so I'm about to drive and go, so stay tuned. And yeah, I wanted to show you guys the microwave. It's in my car right now. I don't know if how I place it is safe. But yeah, this is how it is. I believe I've showed you guys the microwave. Okay, I'm back. Okay, guys, still on my way home. This is the class 1 highway. There's a beautiful mountain out there. On Wednesday afternoon. Oh, I gotta go. Okay, I'm back. Oh, the camera was still recording. Oh my. Oh. There was police officers. They are fighting that. Police officers in general are fighting. They're so funny I know I have a funny story to tell you guys. Okay, this one now, I'll say it in Trini. I'm tired of speaking English. But anyway, so my mom and dad, they were going somewhere, right? Or whether they were from wherever they went to. They were heading home or they were going to wherever they were going. Yeah. And my mom and papa, my poor baby, so I'm free baby, no more confused. I feel no more baby or more conu. That's my area. And police officers be stop for no fucking reason. Oops. Oh Lord. For no reason, right? Yeah, police force stop for no reason. And that time not mommy. What to buy actually and I old, right? It's buy actually now old in a police they stop and the police, you know, be so interrogator so move and he it's even mommy in the kindness. No, be some police officer. So, oh, police officer, me buy a chew baby, and I like, oh, you want some? And the police officer, and he buy a alcohol. Oh, you buy a alcohol now. Oh, yeah, the OD, and it was so funny. Yeah, it's Ghana, the police officer, they are a friend, you know. I'm here now for, you know. But Ghana, there's nothing to be scared of. Yeah, the Jamaica sound, there's this video circulating on social media. They'll be a claim also a black American. I'll be a black American, but me did say the family member be either Caribbean or maybe the parents be Caribbean or Nigeria or some other African country, you know, countries. And see, about social media claims so about Ghana no na police for rob and kidnap all this scary story. No, that's that's not police officers in Ghana here, man. They don't do that. They do not do that. They don't kidnap people. They don't take your phone from you. No, they don't go that far. I won't go that far of taking your personal items and, you know, by first taking you to an ATM machine, withdrawing money. Oh no, that's a lie. That's a lie. That's a lie. Those people are not police officers. First of all, police officers in Ghana, they don't wear masks, okay? You see a few of them wearing a face mask, you know, but for them to wear masks to cover their whole face and kidnapping people, kidnapping you, taking your phone, taking you to an ATM machine, that's bizarre. That's too much. Ghana police officers, they don't do that, okay? So that's also my little opinion about that video. So that's not Ghana police officers. They don't do that, okay? So I'm just throwing that out there. When you come to Ghana, Ghana is safe everywhere. There's a checkpoint at night. When you go out at night, there's a checkpoint everywhere. I hope you are not a checkpoint over there. And Ghana police officers, they don't abuse people also. How kakra so mu say the documents are expire and I say you will not be renewing your tithes, you know, your documents, your road work and stuff like that. And it how kakra, but for them to that extent say kidnap by force now, taking you to the ATM withdrawing money. No, that's a lie. They don't go that far. They don't go that. Yeah, so this is West Hill Mall. The afternoon, the last time I passed by, it was at night. If I had seen, I passed by and it was at night. So this time it's afternoon. Okay, so just showing you guys around. And unfortunately, I'm driving, so I cannot really record the whole mall for you, but yeah, so I'm still heading over to where I'm going. And yeah, so just to throw it out there, okay? Ghana is safe, okay? It's even the most safest country, one of the most safest country in the whole wide world. I'll say that because no nonsense, no. We don't do that out here, okay? We respect ourselves. Ghana, we don't take things too seriously, you know. Everything is fun here. Problem here is hot. When it's hot, it's hot. Yeah, but people are abusing you, kidnapping you, taking your money from your phone. Hell no, they don't do that. There was a time, I know, I was young, you know. Maybe you are sitting in the car, you want to come now. Who phone, so now if your phone, the Talewa, so now window side, now the Talewa, so no. Yeah, almost and perfume bashing from them. But I didn't know, there's nothing of that sort going on anymore. Ghana is safe, wise. Whoever will be telling you Ghana is not safe, and I say, the person is a lie, okay? And let me throw this out there. Also, this dirty December, no, these other African countries, they want that in their country so bad, but unfortunately, their country is not safe for that. This dirty December, and it's that money. Yeah, you know, Ghana, it's hurting them. They wish that dirty December is happening in their home country, but unfortunately. If you guys want to do dirty December in your country, you're like, oh shit, oh my god. Oh, this was deep. Sorry guys. If you guys want to do dirty December in your country, make sure your country is safe, okay? You guys should stop all this kidnapping and all this nonsense stuff in your country. Alright. Dirty December will happen in your country, okay? That's a little advice for my brothers and sisters from different countries, especially in these African countries, okay? Yeah. So that's what is going on. Yeah. I like the weather today. Okay, so I'll go for now, okay? I'll be back. Okay, I wanted to show you guys this beautiful view coming up. Yeah. Still on my way. Actually, the place I'm going is called Tesano. Tesano in Accra. Like they're the best drivers in the whole wide world. See how beautiful Ghana is? Okay, I gotta go. Bye. Okay, guys, I have arrived to my destination. So I'm about to go in and see if I can get someone to help me get my stuff from the car, the microwave from the car. I don't know. Oh God. Yeah, so I'm on my way. Oh, there's parking here. So there's parking here. I'm going to move my car and come park over here. Good afternoon. Hope no one's parked there. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, park closer. So right now I'm on my way there. Oh my. I'm on my way there, so I will be right back, okay? So I've gotten someone to help me get the microwave out of the car. Oh, it's hot. Okay.
What is that?
It's right there. Yes, so. Okay, guys, I've got to go. Oh, okay, I gotta go, guys. Okay, guys, so I just dropped off the microwave. Oh my god, I'm sweating like a pig. Yeah, I'm about to go home now, and I got to go. I didn't get the chance to film the items they have available, but I'll definitely film the items. Send me back number picking my microwave and I met film mama. Because sorry, I bought three something. My uncle fear, my simunta moana traffic, you know, a chemia, masubeshe, bedi traffic much, and it's almost what Christmas, so the traffic is hectic, you know, now in December, and so now I got to go home. Why? The next time I be picking microwave now, make sure I'll film the items they have available. Yeah, for you guys to see the prices, okay? But yeah, I'll be gone for now. Bye bye. Thanks for watching my video. In case if I don't come back, if I don't film again, yeah, in case I'm on film, will be more. Bye. Thank you so much. And this is Abby's Living channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm still in traffic. Even though I left early, you see, I'm stuck in traffic. So it's good I left early. I decided to leave early because if you don't, you're going to stay in traffic. You're going to get stuck in traffic. Yeah, I said Americano. Baby, no in Simuntamwa.
Turn left onto George W. Bush Highway, Kwame Nkrumah Motorway.
Why be the traffic? I'm for so bien, so yes. So call baby, I was say bye. Oh, so by I don't even know where I am. Oh, okay, now I know where I am. Okay. It was said by 3 o'clock or 2:30, then we'll see. Which I might bought 4 5 o'clock. Oh, but do traffic. Yeah, it's here now. Red lights now, so. Come distract my video. No. Yeah, auntie, I'm in traffic at the moment, but it's not far. It's not bad. Like I said in my first video I've posted on YouTube, I don't know anywhere in Ghana. So everywhere I go, I have to use GPS. I think it's a Ghana home friend, Google Map or so. What kind of GPS are be any home friend maps, Google Maps, maybe something like that. Yeah, you know. Yeah, I'm waiting for the red light to turn green so I can go, and go. That's my backpack right there. I love it so much. It's a Coach backpack. Yes. It's a Coach backpack. I love it. I love it so much. Okay, guys, I've got to go. Okay guys, so I have arrived and that'll be all for today's vlog. Okay, so right now I'm about to go to the shop and help out. Yes, so I have arrived and yeah, that's all for today. Bye bye. Oh, I forgot, I did not show you guys my outfit for today, so let me show you. Okay, so this is my outfit for today. Very simple. Yep, yep. Yeah, so that's my outfit for today. Yep. So that's all for today. Bye bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today is quite a busy day. I had another appointment slash a meeting today, and I just got done with that one. The reason why I did not record coming from home was because I was in a hurry. I was running late. I was even an hour late actually. So I'm done with that appointment right now. I am on my way. I ordered something on Instagram, so I'm on my way to go pick it up. I believe it's a Hacho. Yeah, Hacho, that's where it is. So I'm going to pick it up. So that's where I'm on my way to right now at the moment. Okay guys, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back. Have arrived to my destination, and my phone is about to die, and that's what I'm using to record today. So if I don't come back to pick up the camera, then unless I get home. But yeah, I'm here to pick up my package. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when I get home, okay? Because I'll need my phone to also use it for GPS. Yeah, I'm my phone for GPS. Yes, I know. Make up phone is about 20%, and I'm about an hour away from my house. And I hope that I can survive. Yeah, I'll be able to get home. But yeah, okay. Yeah, guys. So at this point, I was on my way. I picked up my item that I ordered off on Instagram. It was a dress, a very beautiful dress. So I'm on my way home now, and I know at the beginning of this vlog, I did mention that I will be showing you the items that I filmed at Blackpark Limited, the company where I drop off my microwave. But the vlog ended up becoming too long, so I decided to make it a separate vlog. So stay tuned for that. I will be showing you the items they have and also the prices, okay? Which are very affordable. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. All right, thank you. Bye bye.